Hello everyone, this is Pedro Rosso from SmartERP. Today I will be sharing with you an SmartPOS demonstration with the main use cases. We are using just the regular security from our ERP. We can talk about that later. For now, let's focus in a simple use case for SmartPOS. So you have a default customer if you want it, or you can find really quickly the information for your customers just entering the first letters or something like that. You can also find them using like an ID number, something like that. It's a really smart and handy feature. With products, it's almost the same. And I am entering the information just with the keyboard. I'm not using the mouse. So because this one is optimized for pharmacies, you should be really productive in terms of try to avoid mouse clicks if you don't really need it. Okay, so in this moment I can find my product just entering the first letters as well, and at any moment I can delete if I want the product. I can do that just with my mouse. If you want it, you can use these handy buttons, and it's really good to know that our SmartPOS is optimized for touchscreen devices as well. So we can use these handy buttons and you can delete all the information. Other nice use cases, if you want to use, for example, the regular touchscreen keyboard, something like this. You have seen that one before. So you can just enter the information that you wanted, and that would be looking the information for you. Okay, so you can have that in a really nice tablet, or you can maybe use a big smartphone. At the end of the day, you will be using the application in all those places if you want it. Once you have your information ready, you can send like a copy of this request to an external warehouse if you want it. So for example, in this case, let's simulate what the warehouse would be getting. This is like a PDF printer, regular printer. So the guys in the warehouse, they don't need a computer. They just need like a normal printer or network printer, and they will be getting all these requests, so they can prepare all the medicines for you, and they can deliver if you want it in a different place. You can use that functionality, or you cannot use it if you don't want. Okay, so once you have that one ready, you just go straight to payment. You can assign credit to, you can manage credit for your customers as well. You can manage just standard credit card, check, blah blah blah, just similar like previous SmartPOS functionality as well. And for sure, you can combine all these payment terms, so you can pay in 2 or 3 different terms, something like that. At the end of the day, the POS will be generating a regular ERP invoice. And from that, you can just print the ticket in a POS printer, something small, something like this. And that's just really quickly how will be the interaction with the SmartPOS. We are working in a lot of additional stuff, so let's just review some of the main features. Something additional that you will be getting. So you have control for cash movements really quick, so you can enter information, you can enter money to your cashier, and you can get the control about what is going in and what is going out of your cash during the day. You can also get reports for closed cash, something like this, where you have a summary of all the tickets, all the payments, all the products that you have sold during the day, which is really handy and complete, especially if you are doing something like auditing really quickly or often to your place. You can also load your products using CSV files, which is really handy because you can get the information for major vendors with a lot of products, prices, and so on, so you can do that. And a really advanced feature that you can use with the SmartPOS is that you can manage discounts from insurance companies, something like insurance coverage where you can, for example, model plans, and each plan have discounts or co-pay percentage, and that will be applied at the payment moment, so you can get a discount for your customer, and you can send invoice to the insurance, and you can manage invoice to your customers. Okay, so that was a really quick summary about what is a smart POS about. It's really powerful. At this moment, it's optimized for pharmacies. We have been working the last 2 years with the smart POS and pharmacies, but it's this release that now is 100% a web application, so you don't need anything in the middle of the ERP and your POS, and you can deploy this one in a really flexible way with different organizations. Each organizations can manage many points of sales. They can share customers and products, but for example, an organization you can have different price lists for each organization or something like that. Okay, so thank you for your time, and we will be in touch with you later. Have a good day.